As we all know, standing in front of that workbench level 1, 2, or 3 and doing experiments to learn different blueprints at the expense of our scrap pile can be a little bit time consuming. At between 5 and 10 seconds per experiment, when you're just going click, 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 it could add up and make it seem like it's taking a really long time. So today I'm going to show you a plugin by my favorite plugin developer, MJSU, called Instant Experimentation. Hey guys, welcome to Rust Admin Academy, where I do plugin reviews and tutorials to teach you guys to be better server owners. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification bells so that you get notified of everything that we're working on. If you take any value out of this video, do me a favor and smash that thumbs up for me. So Instant Experiment is available from the UMod website. It's from the plugin developer named MJSU. I've done tutorials on his stuff before, and I'm going to continue doing tutorials on the rest of his stuff until I run out of his catalog or he uploads more plugins. So I'm going to go ahead and install this onto our test server. If you've never seen how to install a plugin before, make sure you check out the YouTube card in the top right hand corner right now. It shows you how to install a UMod plugin and what to expect while you're doing so. Having a look at the details of this plugin, you'll notice right away that it is a permissions-based plugin, which means you get to determine as the server moderator which players have access to Instant Experiment. Actually, the plugin is called Instant Experiment, but what it actually does is it allows you to change the amount of time it takes to actually do an experiment on a workbench. Instant Experiment meaning you could change the time to 0, which would make it instantaneous. Of course, you could also go the other direction and make it take longer if you so wanted to. All of that information is on the UMod website, readily available for you if you have any questions. So one single permission, instantexperiment.use is the only permission that we have to deal with on this plugin. After you've installed the plugin on your server, you'll notice that inside the config file, there's a spot there that allows you to change how long you want it to be per experiment. So just for testing purposes, let's just do a real quick experiment. This is without any permissions granted. So as you can see, the wheel is turning around there. It's taking what, 5, 6, 7 seconds. And there we go. We have our blueprint. So let's go ahead and grant ourselves that permission using our trusty permissions manager. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you click on the card in the top right hand corner. It shows you how to deal with all these permissions. So we're going to go into Instant Experiment and we're going to grant the group default instantexperiment.use. That's all we got to do there. So now let's go back to our workbench and try that again. And there we go. We instantly have a new blueprint. There's no wheel down at the bottom here. Once we click on Begin Experiment, it just instantly gives us our new blueprint. So there we go. That's Instant Experiment by MJSU, available from the UMod website. Very simple plugin. There's not much that needs to be changed or modified or anything like that. Even the config file is super simple. I mean, let's face it, there's only one variable in there that we need to change. How long do we want it to take to run an experiment? Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. My next 3 or 4, maybe even 5 videos are all going to be plugins by MJSU. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like I said, he is my favorite plugin developer. And bear in mind, the more people that download his plugins and the more attention that he gets on his plugins, he might be more inclined to release more and more of his super creative plugins. And trust me, he's got some whoppers out there. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos of this same series, make sure you click on the boxes on the right-hand side. And of course, if you haven't already done so, there's my subscribe right there. You can hit that up. And if you haven't already done so, I'm looking for those thumbs up if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down and write down in the comment section what you didn't like about the video so that I can make better content for you guys. All right, that's it for me. I'll see you guys next Friday.